everyone, I am Pritikas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A shift of Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our next practical of EDC is practical number 14, which is draw a line diagram limits using the absolute coordinate method. So what is absolute coordinate method? So in absolute coordinate system, take the command from the origin. So always take the command from the origin is called as the absolute coordinate system. So let's see the drawing. So this is the drawing. We can draw in the AutoCAD. So first go to the AutoCAD. Let's start. Okay. Now first set the limit. So limit, press limit, enter. Then 0. Set the specify the lower left corner of UCG. So UCG means user coordinate system. 0, 0, enter. Then upper right, opposite upper right corner. So I have to decide it 200, 200. Sorry, limit 0, 0, enter. 200 by 200. Now apply this label. So for this Z, enter, A, enter. Okay. Now let's start the diagram. So first copy that diagram on this page. For me, I copy that diagram, this diagram, copy and paste on the AutoCAD screen. Resize this by using this or arrow. Okay. Okay. Now draw the diagram. So first start, take a line. Then this line, specify the first point of that line. So 1, 1, enter. Okay. Then so this A point is specified by this 1, 1, or it is here 2, 2 is the starting point. So we will start by the 2, 2. So again I erase the previous command. I'll again take line command and press 2, 2, enter. Okay. Now here from the origin, okay, from the origin mark the 7. Okay. So here from origin, that point, this point is x-axis is 2 and y-axis is 7. So again specify the point. First ortho is on. Then I write here 2, 7. Enter. Okay. Then already saved here. 0, 6. then next point is 0, 7. Enter. Then next point is here 1.5. Okay, so 1.5. So that time y is 0, but 1.5 is the x line. So 1.5 comma y axis is 0. Enter. Then this curve, okay, this inclined line. So the distance for that inclined line is D point. For specifying the D point, at the D point, here 1, 2 and 3. Minus 3 is the y-axis and x is 3. X is 1.5. So 1.5 comma minus 3. Enter. Okay, like this. Okay. Then next here D to E point. For E point, y-axis is 0. X-axis is 0, but y-axis is minus of 1. So again, x-axis is 0. Enter. 0 comma minus 1. So minus 1. Enter. Okay. So here minus 1 line minus. So this is the minus line. Then 2. Okay, x is 2, but y is 0. So that time we take from the origin. Okay, so x is 0, comma 2. Enter. Okay. No, it is wrong. So y is 0. Y is 0 and x is 2. 2 comma 0. Enter. Then we want y-axis line. X is 0. So 0 comma 1. Enter. Then here now next is this diagram. Okay, now this G point we get. Now G to H. Okay, G to H. H point is x-axis is 1 and y-axis is 1.5. Okay, so sorry, x-axis is 1.5 and y-axis is 1. For this point, this is 1. No, it is 1.5. 1.5 and the distance, vertical distance of H to G is 7, 6 and 4. That means 3. 3 and 1.5. Okay, so 3 and 1.5. So 1.5 is the x-axis and comma 3. Enter. Okay. Then x-axis is 1.5 comma 0. Okay. Then for the J point, y-axis is 0, x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So for this 0, no, it's 5, comma 0. Enter. Comma 5. Okay, and 0, 0, minus 5, 0, comma, minus of 5. And then so this extra line I remove. Okay, so doing this object and this object, and now bring this object and this object, press enter and erase distance. Okay, so this is the absolute coordinate system. So what happened in that, we'll take, okay, so this is the image. Okay, so in this image we'll take first this point, and then from this point to this point take how many distance is there, so it is from 2 to 7. So for plotting the B point, we take 5, okay, because 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is the distance. So on we plot. This is in this way is called as a absolute coordinate system. Okay, now take a dimension of this. So simply we can, so this is the dimension of this distance. Then similarly for this line to this line I will take 1.5. okay, so this is the 1.5. Then after that what will be this distance, so this is it. Then what is the distance, horizontal distance, okay, vertical distance is 3, okay, and horizontal distance of this is 1.5. so like this. So this is our practical number 40, which is the absolute coordinate system. So we'll take point to point notation and make coordinates of each points and draw this diagram. Thank you.